Today we are going to discuss about the protein degradation. As you know that the human body is mainly composed of protein, and this protein is to be degraded and is regenerated by the process. Now the process by which the protein is degraded in the human body is discussed over here. Now in the beginning, how the protein is degraded, it all starts with a ubiquitin. For the degradation of a protein to occur, a ubiquitin is first attached to that protein. Now what is a ubiquitin? Ubiquitin is a non-enzymatic protein used to mark the protein that is to be degraded. As there are many proteins in our human body, and the protein which is to be degraded, the ubiquitin first attached to that protein, then that protein is selected for the degradation. Now how this ubiquitin is attached to the protein that is to be degraded? The ubiquitin molecule in the presence of ATP combines with the enzyme 1, that is also called activating enzyme. This enzyme 1 then transfers this ubiquitin to the enzyme 2, and this enzyme 2 transfers this ubiquitin to the enzyme 3. Now ultimately this enzyme 3 transfer this ubiquitin to the protein that is to be degraded. Now this enzyme 3 selects the protein that is to be degraded. Now the signals that tells us that which protein is to be degraded are these degrading signals. The enzyme 3 recognizes these degradation signals and attach this ubiquitin to that protein. These degradation signals are proline, glutamate, serine, threonine. The protein which consists of these amino acids are more liable to be degraded. So after recognizing these signals, the ubiquitin is attached to the protein. Another degrading signal is the arginine. The arginine attached to the N terminal of the protein destabilizes the protein, and that protein is more vulnerable to be degraded. The selected protein, after the selection of the protein, the ubiquitin is then transferred to that protein. As you can see, the ubiquitin is transferred. Now at least 4 ubiquitin molecules are required to specify a protein that is to be degraded. After the attachment of one ubiquitin molecule, this step will again repeat, attach a second ubiquitin molecule, and again until the 4 ubiquitin molecules are attached to that protein. After this ubiquitinization, the attachment of the ubiquitin, this protein is then moved to the protein structure called proteasome. This proteasome is also called as garbage disposal protein. This protein is engulfed by this proteasome and is broken down into smaller peptides by the enzymes that are present in this proteasome. These polypeptide chains are then further broken down outside the proteasome by many proteases enzymes into amino acids. Now remember that the ubiquitin that we added in this protein is at the end again regained. This regained ubiquitin attached to this proteasome is attached to this degraded protein is then recycled to the ubiquitin, and this process again continues.